much I loved you, I still fantasize. Where was the place? We're still together. What is the reason? I don't remember. These feelings of mine still lingers. Can't get enough. The feeling of your fingers. Your face is a picture my mind won't forget. Ever since the time we just